the NAB Show 2026, where broadcast, media, entertainment and technology professionals converge right here in Las Vegas. Okay, so day one at NAB 2026, and I am delighted to be joined by Judy from Kiloview. Welcome.
Thank you. So nice to see you again.
You look lovely and bright and fresh. How's the show going so far? It's day one.
Yes, sure, really exciting.
Well, listen, you're well established as a market leader. How are things going generally, and how are you positioned? Where do you see yourself?
So Kiloview is always just do everything about AV over IP, and so for this NAB, we are actually talking about an easier, simpler, and further AV over IP solutions. And definitely for this NAB, we are showing something new that can help the broadcasters to bring the AV over IP workflows easier. That's our new Media Hub products.
Okay, so we're standing right beside it, and one thing is very clear. Product of the Year 2026 nominee. You don't get that easily.
Yeah, of course. So that's also because of our new product. So I think the main reason is this is really groundbreaking. It's really the new idea that we can help the users, especially the broadcasters. Everyone is just the AV engineers, but not really they have the IT skills. So this product actually is just trying to bridge the gap between AV and IT and helping everyone. You don't need to have the IT skills, but you can use AV over IP very easily and enter into the IP world easily, and also manage everything so simple. You can clearly see everything just like you are managing the cables, even
so
if it's virtual,
Sorry to cut across you. So simplicity, efficiency, they're all so crucial. Yeah. And clearly you're adapting to what customers are asking for.
Yeah, exactly. Always we hear what the customers are asking for, what they need, and how we can help them to really make things easier. So that's exactly how we design our products, how we make these kind of products, and always Kiloview is solving the problems from the fundamental parts, and that's exactly how the Media Hub product is doing. So if I go through the product a little bit in details, then first you can see everything what's happening in the network. So previously, if you just use the IT, then you probably will need to ask your IT engineers, and it's all those kind of codec or something you cannot understand for the AV engineers. But for them, what they actually need is just to see everything, the status, how everything is going, the frame rates, the resolution, everything. So what we made is just through this product, we can not only see the network status, but also the audio video status, everything in detail, and you don't need to have any skills. Everything is just drag and drop in different colors, showing what's happening, and even you can manage everything in large scale. So even if you put into the big production, this single product can help you to manage a lot of the sources during the routing, switching, and preview, see all the sources. You can check the status, everything so easy. Yeah.
My eye's drawn to some of your branding over here. Breaking boundaries, that's what you're really good at, innovation.
Yes, that's exactly what we are doing all these years. Always we think from the customer side what they need, what's the pain points, how we can help them, and also how we can bring our technologies together to make things easier, less cables, less configuration, less setup, plug and play, drag and drop, and the things are working. So that's exactly what Kiloview is doing all these years.
Well, I know it's day one, it's early days, but how are customers reacting so far?
So far, we are very exciting. When we do all those kind of pre-show promoting, and when we talk to customers, everyone was so excited to see what's coming here. And of course, for NAB, everyone is talking about the new technologies, new trends, what's gonna happen. So we are very excited, and really look forward to the show's in the coming days.
Well, you talked about it there, new trends, what the future holds. What's your take on that?
So first of all, of course, as we mentioned, how we will be able to get a kind of system, not single products. How we can bring things together, working together, making them easier to start with a kind of a better experience. That's always everyone is looking forward to. Well, at the same time, I think people are always talking about AI, talking about all those things. So from our side, we are also thinking how we can integrate these new technologies. So I think in our product roadmap, we are also going to have these kind of things, and also we will think about, it's not simply just put everything together, but we will also try to classify our products to fit into different scenarios, different applications, different workflows. So that's from our side. We also see that's what customers are asking for. Yeah.
Well, clearly you're making a huge success of it. Can I just finally touch on the future? Where do you see the future, not just for Kiloview, but generally in the market?
That's a good question. I think right now, the overall broadcast industry, at NAB, everyone is from broadcast, media, and all these parts. So everyone actually, to be honest, is quite challenging these years. Technology is evolving while the whole industry, I think, budgets, things are also a kind of challenge. So we see probably in the long run in this industry, of course, new technologies, using AI and everything to improve, making it more efficient. That's something everyone is looking forward to. While at the same time, making things easier, cost effective. That's also something we see. So that's also from Kiloview side. All these years we are sticking to. We always try to bring some solutions that are really affordable, while reliable, and also future proving and also scalable. So right now, even you are doing something with the existing products, while further if you want to expand, it's scalable. And also, I know everyone is talking about how to make things easier, cost effective. So cloud-based production, easily just agile, scalable, while everything just getting into those kind of things. So I think that's a kind of forever topic for this industry. And from our side, we are doing IP, we are doing all those kind of things. So and
listening to your customers at the end of the day. Well, listen, good luck with this. We'll watch with interest, and good luck with the rest of the show, Judy. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the interview, and it's so nice seeing you here.